Good morning, everybody. This is David from websurveyasia.com. Today, I will be giving a very short presentation on just how powerful this application is for product testing, internet surveys, even telephone surveys, group interviews, and of course, recruitment. So, first of all, the data we receive. We can receive practically take out of trash. Any kind of data. So, for example, of course, name, race, uh, native language, where people are living, where people are from, their citizenship, their age. Uh, let's have a look. What region they live in, their email address, religion, telephone number. What if they're a foreigner? What kind of visa they have? If right now, as you can see, if you are an English teacher, what qualification do you have? Uh, the reason for this is that someone has asked for English teachers, so we decided to add that to one of our forms. What kind of experience they have, those kind of data points that certain clients of ours have asked for. Now, age here, married, yes, no, what kind of job they do, how many kids they have. This is just one example of the information that we can get. It can be changed at any time to suit any client's needs, no matter what those needs are. If it can be captured using any form of qualitative or quantitative data, we can do it. Now, this is just a sort of a practice account. So I'm going to open to show just what we can get. Let's just have a look at this person. It's not a real person. Okay, so this is the data we have on this individual. Here we have his email address that he uses. We have on him his race, Caucasian. What language should we send any information to him in? English. Citizenship being Australia. Region, he is in Southeast Asia. He currently is in Vietnam, living in Ho Chi Minh City. He is an English teacher. Now, title means basically job, English teacher. So we put teacher as well to be more general. Marriage, he's married with no kids. He smokes and is a male. That's the kind of information we can give to, we can get from people. Let's have a look at another person. Perwani, interesting name. I am guessing from data entry, Indonesian, and this race, Asian. We do not really differentiate between East Asian and Southeast Asian at the moment, anyway, because it just hasn't been asked of us. If it is asked, we will definitely do that for our client. Send in English is fine for this person, or of course, as she is Indonesian, we can send in Indonesian. Region, lives in Java. Now, Java is an interesting one because there's, I think, South Java. Some people have entered South Java, East Java, North Java. Because of the client needs, we just put in a general Java. But of course, we can change that. Region, Southeast Asia. Country living right now, Indonesia. Home, they live in Semarang City. Now, because Semarang is not a very well-known city, I'm sure it's very beautiful, but most people will know of Indonesia as Jakarta and Surabaya. Will know of Indonesia as Jakarta and Surabaya. So normally what we do is we research which one's closer, or for this client has asked, just make everybody Jakarta because it's a lot easier, even though it's not necessary because this client searches by country. Title, this person is a chemical engineer, so we just use chemical. But again, we enter the data. We know what to use and we know how to bring up the data. But of course, if a client wanted it to be specific, chemical engineer or electrical engineer, we could change that title from chemical to chemical engineer. Married with 2 kids, no smoking, religion is Christian religion. So we can also phone this person or, of course, send an email. So this is how powerful this application is. Keywords, we can add 1 million new keywords. Many different, this is just for the citizenship. We can change the citizenship. We can also just simply go to update. Now, one thing I noticed with this, with Christine Perwani, is this is more the legacy system. We don't actually really use this too much. I have not added the gender. Now, we know she's female, so I will just quickly enter that and update. Now, this information can be used for so many different purposes related to marketing, recruitment, product testing, questionnaires, the list goes on. Basically, all marketing needs. It is really about having the most specific profiles of people, which is what all marketers want these days. Instead of spending millions of dollars marketing to 1 million people who may not be interested in your product, you can spend a lot less and just market to that 20 or 50 people who are probably where your product is directed to. So it's a very powerful application and definitely worth any marketing recruitment company time and energy to actually get to know and understand the system. So this is the raw data we receive. Of course, we have to go through this and fix it. There's obviously many mistakes people make, country of birth, well, that's going to be wrong. We would probably contact this person, ask them, were you born in Thailand? Yes. Country of birth here, Bangkok. They got that lot wrong. We would ask them, we will ring them and ask them, can we change that to Thailand because is that where you were born? They would say yes. So that is the information system that we have. Definitely worthwhile for any marketing company, any recruitment company, product testing company, advertising company. Get on board, start using it, and you will definitely notice the difference in your profiling ability. And of course, we will teach you how to enter all this information and give you the full instruction manuals as well. Okay, thank you very much for your time. And don't forget to check out Web Survey Asia. Okay, thank you very much and have a good day. Goodbye.